everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about managing security with a virtual data room. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories that allow businesses to share confidential documents with each other. Let's go through the slides. VDRs offer a variety of security features to protect confidential documents such as encryption. VDRs encrypt all the data in transit and at rest. This means that even if someone were to intercept the data, they would not be able to read it without the encryption key. Password protection. VDRs require users to enter a password to access the data room. This helps to prevent unauthorized access. Audit logging. VDRs track all activity in the data room, including who accessed what files and when. This information can be used to investigate any suspicious activity. Two-factor authentication. VDRs can be configured to require two-factor authentication for logging. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring user to enter a code for their phone in addition to their password. Watermarking. VDRs can watermark documents to prevent unauthorized copying and distribution. Data loss prevention. VDRs can be configured to prevent users from loading or printing certain types of document. This can help to prevent data loss. Then, VDRs also offer a variety of other features that can help businesses to manage security, such as user permissions. VDRs allow administrators to set permissions for each user. This allows administrators to control who has access to which documents and what they can do with them. Activity monitoring. VDRs can be monitored for suspicious activity, such as users downloading large amount of data or trying to access documents outside of their permissions. Incident response. VDR often have incident response plans in place to deal with security breaches. These plans help to minimize the damage caused by breaches and to get the data room back online as quick as possible. Here are some tips for managing security with a VDR. Choose a reputable VDR provider. There are a number of different VDR providers available, so it is important to choose a VDR provider that has a good reputation for security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. All users of the VDR should use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This will help to prevent unauthorized access. Monitor the VDR for suspicious activity. The VDR should be monitored for suspicious activity, such as users downloading large amounts of data or trying to access documents outside of their permissions. Educate users on security best practices. Users of the VDR should be educated on security best practices, such as how to create strong passwords and how to avoid phishing attack. Have an incident response plan in place. The VDR should have incident response plan in place to deal with security breaches. This plan should be regularly tested and updated. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your VDR is secure and that your confidential documents are protected. That's all for today. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you so much, everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.